On April 7, 2026, the CEOs of America's largest banks were summoned to a closed-door meeting at the Treasury Department's headquarters in Washington, D.C. These Wall Street executives were called in directly by U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessant and Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The regulators didn't come to discuss interest rates or monetary policy, but to issue an urgent cybersecurity warning. When top economic regulators bypass standard security channels to brief bank leadership, it signals a threat capable of destabilizing the core systems moving and storing the world's capital. The focus was Claude Mythos Preview, an AI model navigating deep, complex layers of enterprise code to locate hidden structural weaknesses without human direction. During internal testing, Mythos discovered a 27-year-old flaw in OpenBSD and identified chained vulnerabilities in the Linux kernel that would allow an attacker to gain complete machine control. Recognizing the danger of this technology reaching bad actors, Anthropic launched the $100 million Project Glasswing to share the model exclusively with partners who can patch these vulnerabilities before they are exploited. Major financial institutions like JP Chase, led by Jamie Dimon, have stepped forward as foundational partners to use Mythos for internal defense. Because Mythos finds and weaponizes flaws at the speed of compute, the banking sector is racing to automate defenses before similar tools become widely accessible to cybercriminals. To see the gap in these capabilities, we have to look at the benchmark data comparing Anthropic's previous model, Opus 4.6, to Mythos Preview. In tests tasked with developing working shell exploits for vulnerabilities in the Firefox web browser, Opus 4.6 succeeded only 2 times out of hundreds of attempts. Under the exact same conditions, Mythos succeeded 181 times. This data marks a shift towards semi-autonomous operation, where the AI can execute complex technical tasks with significantly less human intervention. Software codebases are as complex as a million-room skyscraper, and Mythos navigates them with the precision of a master architect. Instead of looking for one obvious hole, Mythos identifies tiny glitches, like a loose screw or water leak, and chains them to trigger a critical breach. If an initial exploit fails, Mythos dynamically rewrites its code, iterating through thousands of new strategies overnight. It understands the deep architectural context of the system, reasoning how modern memory handling interacts with decades-old legacy software to find structural flaws that line-by-line readers miss. This complete autonomy allows Mythos to find and weaponize flaws that have survived automated security tests for decades. While Project Glasswing creates a defensive head start, the global landscape will shift once these capabilities reach the open internet. A hardened core of tech giants and major banks will be aggressively shielded by AI-driven patches. Outside that core, small businesses, local hospital networks, and regional utility grids will face a surge of automated, multi-stage attacks. The democratization of these elite exploits forces a shift towards stricter, higher-friction security protocols for every person using the web. To protect your data in this environment, you must make your digital footprint too resource-intensive for an automated agent to target. Switch to biometric passkeys immediately. For your most critical accounts, invest in a hardware security key, which cannot be phished remotely. Minimize your attack surface by deleting old ghost accounts and using secure email aliases. The less data floating around, the harder it is for an AI to profile you for a scam. Establish out-of-band verification. Create verbal safe words for your family, and always hang up and manually dial your bank's official number if you receive a suspicious text or call. Enable automatic software updates across all of your devices. AI compresses the window between a bug being discovered and being exploited from months to mere minutes, making instant patching critical. Passive online habits are now a liability. Surviving this arms race requires a hardened personal security posture. Like, share, and subscribe to KYC